Welcome back to my channel, everybody. So the model we have today, her name is Maya. Make sure you guys check her out on Instagram. Starting off, I'm using NYX Brow Glue Gel. I actually love it. I kind of forgot that I had it. Next, it's It Cosmetics Eye Cream. I love this stuff. I really feel like it hydrates under the eye. It also brightens, and it's great for sensitive areas. Next, we have Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is one of my favorites. I'm addicted to it at this point. It's very hydrating and a little goes a very long way. Next, we have the Tatcha Water Cream. This is great for oily skin. I love it because it gives oily skin moisture without making the skin even more oily throughout the day. So, as you all can see, I'm just working the product in her skin. You always want to make sure you're working the product in the skin because once you're ready to do the makeup, you want to just make sure everything's smooth and everything has an airbrush feel to it. Next, I'm using Melanie Mills Peach. This is Face and Body Gleam, and I love, 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 love this stuff. At the end of the makeup, you'll see that it really gives a nice glow underneath the skin. I'm all about skin when it comes to makeup application. I love the skin to look like skin. If we're doing a beat face, I still want that foundation to look like it's her skin, like it's a natural beat. Although, as you guys are going to see in the video, there's quite a bit of makeup that's being put on. The model herself, she's naturally gorgeous though. Next, we're using MAC Light. This is a color correcting and highlighting kit. I love this. Little goes a long way. It's creamy. It's medium to about full coverage, but it does not crease, which I love. Now we're going to go ahead and go on to brows. I used a brow gel. I believe I used Granite or Ebony and Anastasia. Either way, I will put it down below for you guys. I also used the new Urban Decay brow pens, brow blade pens. I love them so much. Everything that I'm using, you guys, I'm going to put down below, so don't you worry. Next, we're going into foundation. I actually mixed two foundation colors on Maya. I typically like to mix foundation colors because for me, I get more of a true color when I get to match, mix and match, and when I get to basically make a custom color. I also love doing this for my clients because, again, you want something that's going to set you apart from other artists, and I love doing this. Next, we're using Tarte's Face Tape in Light Medium Honey. It's actually my first time using this concealer. I do like it. What I will say is the product does tend to dry fast, so you want to work as quickly as possible when blending this product out. Another thing that I like, it's medium to full coverage, and although you need to blend quickly, it is very blendable, and I love products that are like that. Next, we're using Tom Ford's Shade and Illuminate Sculptor in Intensity 1. I almost used Intensity 2, but it would probably have been too dark for my liking. As you can see, I really just shaped out her face with the contour. You always want to make sure that you are shaping the face with highlight, contour, or bronzer. Of course, you're going to treat every face different depending on the face shape. For her, she has more of a either square or heart-shaped face. So what I'm looking to do is bring that jawline in just a little bit so it looks a little bit more oval, more round. Now we're moving on to the eye. So for the eyes, we went and used the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. I actually love these color pencils. I need all of them. I'm literally obsessed. The color is 608 in Limitless Brown. And as you can see, I'm smudging that on the outer corner of her eye. I really loved how it came out. I wanted to have more of a diffuse, smoky eye, not something that was too direct. And going over her lash line, we're actually using Milani in the color 3 Duchess. The eyeshadow palette that I used was Fenty Beauty's 9 Wine. As you can see, we already placed the lashes on. I used the lashes from Nikki Makeup Sultry Corner Lashes. I love these lashes because Maya has more downturned eyes. They're almond, but they're downturned. So my whole premise was to make her eyes, give the illusion that they're more lifted up. So outer corner lashes are always perfect for things like that. As you see, I'm now going on to the lip. The color that we use for the lip is Nars, and it's called Ride It. It's like a very pretty berry mauve color. In the middle of her lips, of course, we use Fenty's Uncensored lip paint. We love it. Red, it's such a universal red, and what we were going for today is a nice holiday glam look. So I hope to see these recreations. I hope you guys create them on your clients, create them on yourself, and yes, she was so much fun. I loved her. As you guys can see, what I'm doing is just adding some finishing touches on her skin. I did go in with a Fenty Beauty bronzer, which will be listed down below. I believe it was Bad Gal. I really love Bad Gal. It really warms up the face, and it really just brings everything together. As well as the blush, we use more of instead of a pink one, we use like a peachy one. And then to add some finishing touches, I like to add just a small glow, which is again coming from the Tom Ford Contour and Illuminate duo. I literally love, love, love it. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. We hope you like it. We hope you love it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and follow both of us on Instagram. My Instagram is at EllieMichelle with 2 L's. And we shall see you guys in the next video. Happy holidays.